Okay. Okay. So I'm not getting reaction videos because my phone is broken. I tried to get it fixed, but I don't know if I have the money to fix it. So, yeah. And the car since Sunday because of the snow. If you live in South Dakota on the northeast side, yeah, except for Assistant, no, Mexican. If you guys been following my social media accounts, I've not been posting a lot because of the storm that happened during the week. So that's why I didn't make any videos on Sunday because the power shut off. And I had to survive with soft blankets that are warm and don't let air into the room. So yeah. I don't know what happened to Pugless Gamer. He started making videos. I don't know why. Because he got scared somehow. See if I can add him to Discord. Hold on. Tone that real quick. How's it? Yeah, tell him that. Go on Discord. And then I didn't get the link, but it didn't do anything. So yeah. Holy crap. So yeah. See you guys in the next video. Safe Fox 5. Peace.